In this video, I'm reviewing Vadoo AI, what it is, what it actually does, and my honest take after using it to create content from the ground up. If you've been trying out AI tools for videos, images, voiceovers, or even music, there's a good chance Vadoo AI has shown up in your feed. It's getting more attention from creators and marketers who want to make a lot of content fast, without bouncing between 5 different apps. But here's the big question. What is Vadoo AI really? Can one tool handle all of that in one place? And most importantly, does it live up to the hype once you start using it? That's exactly what you're going to find out today. And just so you know, this isn't a surface level overview. This is a real review based on hands-on use. I'll walk you through what works, what doesn't, and what you need to know before deciding if Vadoo fits your content workflow. Let's get into it. What is Vadoo AI really? Vadoo AI is an all-in-one content creation tool, but not in the way most platforms claim it to be. It's not just one model doing everything. Instead, it gives you access to dozens of powerful AI models in one place. Think of it like a control panel that connects you to tools like Kling, Runway, Flux, and Midjourney. Style image generators, all without needing separate accounts. You can make videos, images, lip-synced avatars, music, subtitles, even influencer-style content. And all of it runs inside Vadoo's dashboard. So instead of switching between apps, you just type in your idea, pick a model, and generate. It's designed to speed things up, especially if you're producing a lot of content and don't want tech to slow you down. It sounds impressive on paper, but how does it actually feel once you log in? Your first 10 minutes with Vadoo AI. Once you're inside Vadoo AI, the first thing you notice is how much it offers right away. No setup maze, no first walkthroughs, just tools ready to go. Video generation, AI art, music, subtitles, lip sync, it's all laid out in the sidebar. At first, it can feel like too much, but the interface is surprisingly easy to understand. You enter your prompt, pick your model, adjust a few basic settings, and hit generate. You can organize your projects in folders, preview outputs instantly, and start creating within minutes of logging in. It's not flawless. A few tools take a while to load, but for something so feature-packed, the learning curve is refreshingly low. And once you've clicked around and tested your first prompt, only one question really matters now. Are the results actually good enough to use? Can it actually make videos worth posting? To test this, you start with the video generator. You upload a photo or just enter a prompt, pick from models like Kling, Minimax, or VO, and hit generate. That's it. Within minutes, you've got a short form video, music included, captions optional, and synced if you want it. Some of the results are genuinely impressive. They feel polished, eye-catching, and right in line with what's trending on TikTok or Reels. But not every video is perfect. Some look a little AI-ish. You might need to tweak or rerun your prompt to get a better version. Still, even the weaker outputs give you a solid starting point, especially if you're used to spending hours editing. And here's the kicker. Instead of needing 5 different apps to get the same results, Vadoo handles it all in one place, and much faster than you expect. That alone can change how fast you turn ideas into content. But before you get too excited, let's take a step back and ask, how much are you actually paying for all of this? Let's talk about what you're really getting for your money. Vadoo AI offers 3 main pricing plans on a monthly basis. Starter is $19 per month. You get 1,500 credits. No watermark, and access to core tools like AI video, music, images, and up to 2 parallel tasks. Pro, $39 per month. Gives you 3,500 credits. Daily auto posts, 3 tasks at once, plus consistent character videos, more effects, and app support. Advanced is $99 per month. This is built for scale. Gives you 10,000 credits, 5 parallel tasks, and unlimited use of VO3 Fast for quicker generation. If you pay yearly, you get discounted rates. $13 per month for starter, $27 per month for pro, and $99 for advanced. Now, here's something extra. Vadoo doesn't just lock you into a subscription. You can start with a 7-day free trial, no credit card needed. During the trial, you can create up to 20 short videos without any watermark and try out most of the tools to get a real feel. And if you ever run out of credits, Vadoo's team is pretty responsive on Discord. You can request bonus credits there, especially if you're testing the platform or need a little extra push to complete your projects. It's an unadvertised perk that's been a lifesaver for many creators trying to stay on track. Up next, let's talk about how reliable it actually is once you start using it daily. Who is Vadoo AI really for? Let's be honest, not every tool fits every person. So here's the real question. Is Vadoo AI made for someone like you? If you're a content creator who juggles short-form video, eye-catching visuals, subtitles, maybe even a bit of AI music or voice syncing, Vadoo AI checks all those boxes in one place. It's especially helpful if you're working alone or with a small team and you're trying to post consistently without spending hours editing or bouncing between apps. The speed, automation, and built-in models make it easier to keep up. But what if you're just starting out? Honestly, that's where Vadoo still shines. Even if you don't know how to edit videos or write prompts like a pro, the platform is simple enough to help you learn as you go. You're not overwhelmed with features you don't need, and the results come fast. Now, if you're someone who needs ultra-polished, commercial-grade content with deep editing control, or you already use high-end tools like After Effects or Final Cut, Vadoo might feel a bit lightweight. But for creators who care more about speed, output, and volume, and less about fine-tuning every frame, this platform delivers. Okay, we've covered what Vadoo AI does well, but no tool is perfect. So let's talk about what's not so great. What's missing? The honest downsides. First, while Vadoo brings together a ton of powerful AI models, the quality can be hit or miss depending on which one you use. Some video outputs look polished, others feel a bit robotic or lack detail. You'll often find yourself generating a few variations before landing on one that's actually usable. That's not a deal breaker, but it does mean that Vadoo's is not always one-click magic. Then there is the credit system. While you can preview things endlessly, certain models, especially the high-end video ones, burn through credits fast. If you're experimenting a lot or working on multiple projects, you might need to top up more often than expected. Another thing, mobile optimization isn't perfect. While the platform technically works on your phone, the layout is better suited for desktop. Some features feel crammed or slow to respond on smaller screens, which can slow you down when you're working on the go. And finally, while the tool is loaded with features, not all of them are equally polished. Lip syncing can sometimes miss the mark. Subtitle styling feels a little basic, and the file organization system, it could use more structure as your content library grows. Still, these aren't deal breakers if you know what you're getting into. Vadoo is all about speed and output, not deep customization. And when you keep that in mind, most of these limitations feel manageable. But what's the final verdict? Is Vadoo AI actually worth using in your content workflow? That's what we'll get into next. So, is Vadoo AI actually worth it? All right, time for the big question. Is it actually worth it? If you're someone who wants to speed up content creation without losing creative control, then yes, it's absolutely worth a try. You're not just getting one tool, you're getting dozens of top-tier AI models bundled into one platform under one login. That alone saves you time, money, and the headache of bouncing between apps. And what you get isn't fluff. You can generate usable, scroll-stopping videos in minutes. You can test new ideas fast. You can scale your content output, even if you're working solo. That said, it's not a full production studio. Some outputs still need polishing. Some features need a bit more refinement. And if you're chasing cinema-level edits, Vadoo probably isn't the right fit. But if you're a creator, a marketer, or a small business owner trying to keep up with content demand without burning out, then this tool earns its place in your stack. And with pricing that's lower than what most AI models cost on their own, the value is definitely there. Concluding, if what you need is speed, simplicity, and creative power in one dashboard, then yes, it absolutely is worth it. And don't forget that if you would like to try Vadoo AI, there's a link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.